There's a cold wind in Cleveland, baby. It'll chill you right to the bone. There's a cold wind in Cleveland, baby. It'll chill you right to the bone.
Look at that thing. That thing is coming down. That cloud right there is actually starting to spin. I mean, it is spinning.
On the street.
That is wild.
And with my woman at home. I got a mean, cruel woman.
That is amazing.
And I'm paying.
It's like a super slow rotating cloud coming down. Back part is actually spinning faster than the stuff that you see in the foreground.
And I'm paying the price. She's so mean and cruel. She's so mean and cruel.
Contrast between those different clouds. This is brown type color. These are white. I mean, this is awesome. It ain't often that you get to see something like this. This is amazing. I mean, it's going right to the ground. I don't know what this camera will make it look like, but this thing is actually just... I mean, I could run right up to it. It'll take me a little bit to get down to those trees, but that's about right where it is. This is just awesome. I'm over here by close to the Texas borderline getting this. Some menacing looking skies. This is what I was under a while ago. Alright, there looks blue. That's lightning striking the moon. Look at the
other thunderstorms will develop at 7:30 p.m. Another level drop arriving from the west will create large super cell thunderstorms are expected in the A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Grant, southwestern Kay, northwestern Millsboro, northeastern Garfield counties. At 6:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, proper radar and storm spotters observed a tornado 9 miles south of Nautilus, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Locations in the
same one I'm observing.
She's around. Hold his eyes.
Move my buttons down a little bit so I can actually, that right there's the main funnel. This is amazing. Oh, we got a road funnel. and a big funnel, so we got two tornadoes at one time. The road funnel just disappeared. Tornadoes on the ground, definite for sure now. This is just awesome. Taking this tornado. See the debris on the ground. Going back to this. Got another tornado forming here. Somebody get this coming down. There's debris. Cranking my truck because I might have to be moving here. Another tornado to the left also. Got two of them. Both of them in the picture at one time. This is multiple vortex. I'm gonna be ready to book if this thing heads at me. Alright, I'm gone.